Hello, my name is Theodore and my colleague's name is Victor, and we are the Baro team. We are from Republic of Moldova. In 2014-2015, I was building a service. I was a web service, but I faced a problem when I was advertising it. I didn't know my exact target audience. So I found a really nice tool. It offered me really good A/B testing. I could A/B test different audience segments. It offered me good automatization, so I didn't invest a lot of time in it because I was developing it at that time. It offered me good optimization as well, which resulted in decreased costs for my advertising. But Google bought it, and eventually it was shut down. I was really frustrated because the life without that tool was a little bit difficult. So I thought, let me build it myself. I found Victor, and that's how Baro appeared. Baro is an online platform that automates, manages, and optimizes advertising on social networks. There is a default solution to this problem. You can go directly to Facebook and use Power Editor. This is a form that you have to complete to launch one Facebook campaign. And this will test only one target audience. In my case, I had multiple assumptions, so I had to fulfill this form multiple times, which is painful and time-consuming. And this is not all of it. There's one more for creatives, images and messages. There are existing solutions that solve this problem, but they're crappy as well. First of all, they're not fully automated. You have to manually adjust budgets, you have to manually take out worst performing ads, and you have to manually focus on best performing ads. Plus, their forms are still complex. You still need an advertising expert to run campaigns on these platforms. And to be honest, some of them look fake, and some of them don't even work properly as they mention. Our solution instead has a lot more features than our competition. We are fully automated. We automate budget adjusting. We do a lot more A/B testing than our competition does. And we optimize ads, which results in decreased costs as well. This is a form you have to complete. It's pretty simple, but it launches a very complex campaign. As you can see on the top, you can A/B test locations, cities and countries. You can A/B test age groups. You can see the response rate between males and females. You can A/B test different interest sets, behavior sets, and lookalike groups. We are in a pretty big market. The global digital advertising market is $135 billion. In the US, only small and medium-sized businesses spend around $43.6 billion per year on digital advertising. And since our tool is more for advertising agencies, our potential market is $17.5 billion, which we can tap. Our business model is pretty straightforward. We will take a 5% commission out of our clients' advertising spendings. Our team consists of 2 people at the moment. It's me, the back-end developer, and my friend Victor, the front-end developer, and together we will present you a demo. We're gonna launch a campaign live on Facebook right now. As you can see, we can promote a website at the moment, a page, a mobile app, a Facebook app, and events. We're going to promote the page. You input the name, you choose the page you want to promote, hit next. As you can see, we already fulfilled the form for you, so we don't spend time completing it. We've inputted 2 locations, 2 age groups. We're going to test females and males as well, 2 interest sets, and 2 lookalike groups. You hit next. The minimum daily budget is calculated based on your targeting specs. Then you input the messages you want to A/B test and the images you want to A/B test. You hit the launch button. It takes up to a minute to appear live on Facebook Ads Manager. We're going to check it right now. Meanwhile, I'll tell you about a case study we have. One of our clients is a mobile game developer company from Ukraine. They tested Baro by investing $2,800 per month. They told us that we've saved them 50 hours of work per month of campaign tweaking and testing. We've increased their install volume by 7 times, and we've decreased the cost per install by 29%. It should take a couple more seconds, and you'll see it will make about 120 advertising variations. Yes, so it's in process of launching. As you can see, the ad sets are created. There are about 20 ad sets, and each ad set has about 6 creative combinations. As you can see, Baro is live. You can give it a try. The first one is free. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, Baro ads. Okay, let's hear what the jury have to say.
First question is regarding your user base and your conversion rate from the free model. How many active users do you have? I understand your example, but more in general.
Okay, so we actually gained this user in our beta testing, because we are in beta. We have developed until now. Our next step will be doing sales. At the moment, we have this client, Ukrainian, and we have we have registered 50 clients, but at any given point in time, we have about 5 active campaigns, which don't have such big budgets yet.
You mentioned sales. You plan to do it by yourself, or the 2 of you, or you plan to have a bigger team for that?
At the beginning, we'll do ourselves, I guess. Since our project is already bug-free almost, so we can take care of sales right now for the beginners.
So what's the next step in product feature development?
We plan to integrate more platforms. We plan to go into Google AdWords. We've heard a lot of interest in that platform. We might go into Twitter as well.
We want to bring physical advertising online, like billboards, and also long-term. We want a long-term feature that we want to add is virtual reality advertising.
Is there any danger that Facebook or any other network just cut off the access to their managing?
There is, but the probability is very low because we are selling their advertising space. So they might change their API, which will affect everyone, and we're flexible. We can change it. And by the way, we have API tests, which runs once per 24 hours and tests the API also of Facebook. So if any error occurs, we will know about that.
You said the market size is 17.5 billion, but that's for the entire campaign, and you're taking 5% of that. Is that right?
That's how many advertising agencies spend on digital advertising.
Yeah, I'm just getting market sizing.
Of course.
So 17.5 times 5% would give you a general idea of how your total available.
Correct.
Okay, no more questions from our jury members. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together.
Thank you.
For Baro ads.